Welcome to Promethia Yoga. My name is Aleena, and on my channel you will find all sorts of different yoga practices. I have Yoga Nidra, which is like a guided supine meditation where you can tap into these deep states of consciousness and kind of optimize your rest. So you're navigating this like mind awake but body asleep state of consciousness, which is really, really effective for healing. And I particularly am interested in kind of how we can use these practices to heal the physical body. So I have lots of those types of meditations. You'll find active yoga asana practices. You'll find gentle yoga asana practices, some breathing exercises. In my shorts, I do little like how to do this pose or that pose. And then also I am a circus artist and an aerialist and have been doing that my whole life. And so you'll find sometimes my creative movement practice here as well. And so I have a wide variety of different things because I naturally am someone who is very excited about making pretty shapes. As a dancer and a movement artist, I have a great love for the body and kind of like pushing myself to my limits, but I have found that I have a tendency to kind of overdo that, which is why even though my first love was being in the air as an aerialist, I decided to kind of commit my life to yoga and the yoga practice as a movement person, because yoga has been the only type of movement practice that I can actually sustain without injury and heal myself through injury. And I've had a lot of different injuries as a circus person. I've had knee injuries, shoulder injuries, ankle injuries, wrist injuries, you name it. And I've been really disappointed with doctors and physical therapists. I cannot tell you the number of doctors and physical therapists, orthopedic surgeons that I have seen. And what has helped me is yoga. And I now understand that healing doesn't come from outside of you, it comes from inside of you. Healing happens in your body. No one heals you. Your body heals itself. We can create conditions. Other people can help you to create conditions for your body to heal, but ultimately you are the one doing it. And you can amplify your healing ability through growing your awareness of your body. And so there's different ways we can do that. In the yoga asana practice, you can learn how to physically engage with and understand the movement of your body and just really grow your awareness through these physical practices. But you can also do this in a psychosomatic way where you're building proprioception, and like this is the Yoga Nidra part where you can connect your consciousness into different regions of the body and bring your awareness there. And this actually promotes blood flow and healing to that place. And growing the mind-body connection will be extremely helpful for preventing injury and healing what you already have, and even just recovering from workouts. If you're someone who does a lot of exercise or yoga asana, it's still incredibly beneficial to rapidly heal and recover from whatever your life is doing to you through these meditation practices. So that's why you'll experience the gambit of wild, backbendy, hand balancing things, and then also the most yin passive stuff, because I personally have needed that. I have had to learn how to relax, because healing happens when you're resting. And when you're someone who has a love for movement as deep and vast as I do, it can be so hard to rest, especially if you might feel like your identity is wrapped up with it. You know, if I'm not doing circus, if I'm not able to work out, then who am I? Like, it becomes so much of who you are. And so I have just benefited so much from these practices, and I have benefited so much from teachers who share freely on YouTube, and I wanted to be a part of that. So I have a lot of free stuff here, free practices, free meditations. You can comment on my stuff. I'll answer your questions. And if you want to try a full-length practice with me, like an hour long or more, you can go to my website, and I have full-length practices that at the point that I'm recording this are like $5 for you to try. Or if you are overcoming injuries and looking for some guidance on how to build that mind-body connection with someone who really knows and understands what your body means to you, and get into that kind of multi-layered version of who you are to to approach healing as not just a physical thing, but also the whole totality of your being, I can also offer one-on-one types of private yoga lessons where we can work on different physical drills that could be useful for you to grow your awareness where it's needed. And I can also offer guided or personalized meditations for you if you're interested in something like that. Feel free to reach out. And then my meditations, if you don't have YouTube Premium, but you resonate with my voice and want to be able to practice offline, you can also purchase the recordings of my meditations, my Yoga Nidra meditations on my website as well, if you would like. So thank you so much for being here, and I hope you find something of value that will just connect you to yourself while you're on my channel. Thank you.